Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today I'll show you how to limit the quantity a customer can add to the cart for specific items and block not only the checkout, but also the cart and product pages using the Cart Lock app. First, open the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Single Item Quantity option. In the Block If More Than field, enter 2 or any maximum quantity limit you want to implement. Now click Add a New Condition again and select the Products option. Add the specific products you want to apply the limit to. If you want to restrict the quantity for all products, you can skip this step. Make sure to give your rule a name in the Rule Name field for future reference. In the Error Message field, add a custom message such as Maximum 2 is allowed. Select Match Conditions to All, meaning the rule will apply when both the quantity and product conditions are met. Uncheck the Block Checkout Only option so that our rule is applied to the product and cart page as well. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's test it out. If a customer tries to add more than 2 units of the specified product to their cart, they will see the error message on the product page, cart, or checkout, and their order will be blocked. Let's test the product page first. As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so the quantity restriction is successfully applied. Let's test the cart page now. And yes, you cannot increase the quantity above 2 in the cart page as well. If somehow your customers go to the checkout page, they will be blocked on the checkout page as well. That's how you can easily limit the quantity of specific items in the cart and product pages using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!